Now, y'all heard it first. It is 2022 and it's about that time everybody stopped playing and learned how to slay a wig. Your girl, I got you in today's video because I am sharing all the tea on my favorite sweat-proof products for a flawless lace glue install that are luxury and affordable. So you guys can save that money, honey. But not only am I sharing all the best products for lace glue, I am also giving y'all the tea on some lace spray products that are sweat proof as well. So don't worry because your girl, I got you. But before we get into it, make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on that notification bell. To the girls that came to this video just for the wig tea, don't worry because I dive all into this highlighted wig later on, and I also show you how to clean the lace from lace glue and lace spray. So let's get into it. These lovely baddies are my top 2 lace glues that I love and am honestly obsessed with. The 𝐒𝐿 Hold Me Down adhesive and the 𝐼𝐸 Almighty Bond lace glue. Both products hold up really well with sweat and both are also waterproof. I have detailed videos using all the lace glues and the lace sprays in today's video already on my channel. So those that want to see super detailed videos, go ahead and check that out. And in one, I even dip my head in a pool to see how well it holds up against pool water. I'm going to be showing in detail how I do my lace glue ball cap method, but first I'm just prepping my skin with 91% alcohol and using some Ericka J skin guard around my hairline. So now the video for real starts, and this isn't the first time y'all have seen my auntie stockings. I introduced these in my most recent ball cap method video and I'm still using them from that video. That's just how far they stretch. I'm just going to place the stockings on and cut out my ear section and then use some Ericka J adhesive right above my hairline. The best way to have longevity for a sweat-proof lace glue ball cap is by using lace glue to melt the ball cap. If you're washing your face, you in a shower, you're sweating, or you're just at the pool with some type of humidity around that hairline, any of those things can lift your ball cap. But I've learned using the Ericka J or the 𝐼𝐸 Almighty Bond glue in conjunction with the 𝐒𝐵N Supreme spray is just pure magnifico. It is just purely sweat proof. I have used every single product you guys see in this video countless times on and off camera, and you're definitely going to see me talk about this 𝐒𝐵N spray later on in the lace spray section of the video. After everything is dry, I'm going to cut off my extra lace with some mini scissors and then go in with some cream foundation. I'm going to apply this all over my ball cap. I actually learned this trick from Meg Thee Stallion's current hairstylist Kellen. He actually taught me this like a few years ago, and he told me that using cream foundation instead of powder or liquid just helps melt that ball cap in a lot more, especially when using lace glue. Now I'm just going to remove any extra makeup from in front of my hairline and then use the Ericka J skin guard one more time just to prep my hairline from any makeup and get it ready for some lace glue. Now here is the tea on this highlighted wig. This is actually my next design with Wowafrican, and she is a highlighted curly bob, 13x4, 12-inch frontal, and 180 density. Now I'm still going to be doing a highlighted curly wig video. I have one already lined up in my queue of videos, and I also have one on straight or natural wave hair. So don't worry, for those that want to be a little bit more advanced and do the highlights yourselves, that video is coming, but this video is specifically for my beginners. So if y'all made it this far in the video, that's how I know y'all really here to learn. And for today's install, I chose to use the Ericka J adhesive simply because I haven't used it in forever. I used 3 layers of glue and let each layer dry before moving on to the next one. And when I see the glue, it is a little iridescent, so then I laid my lace on top and let it blow dried with medium heat. As far as lace glue, like, I'ma just be real honest with y'all, I think you can tell I am a little bit more comfortable with lace spray instead of lace glue. I think what it is for me with lace glue, it depends on the occasion and what exactly I'm I'm going to be doing a day-to-day. I don't mind using lace glue, but if I don't need to put lace glue on, I just won't do it. I feel like it's a hit or miss. One minute I am on top of my game when it comes to lace glue, and then the next minute I'm just frustrated. I'm not laying things correctly. I'm using products I'm not supposed to be using, and the install just don't be turning out right. Because I'm not a super pro with lace glue, I like to take the safe route and use this ORS olive oil lace spray. It's literally amazing. I can't lie, I definitely slept on this spray for the first 2 years that it came out, but ever since they reformulated it, they came out with their new packaging, I just cannot put it down. And if you guys are beginners like me, that I have been saying in this whole entire video, I think just using a lace spray to just seal off your hairline is the best route than using some lace glue. If this was my younger days and my younger self using lace glue, I would have seen that glue on my forehead, turned this camera off, threw my comb, and ripped my damn wig off because I would have been over it. But I have learned a hack on how to clear up any leftover white residue, and that is using that cream foundation that we use on our ball cap and just lightly pat that over top of the lace, and it blends in so good. Now the rest of the install routine is fairly easier. I'm just going to take out a few baby hairs from the front of the lace and pluck the frontal just a little bit because this wig is straight out of the box. Melt that lace down with my paper strip and put my elastic band right on top and let this melt sit for about 15 minutes. I'm also going to do a few baby hair and do light swoops with some got2b black gel on the hairline. Nothing too crazy. Y'all already know how I feel about baby hair and the dramatic baby hair especially. And when I'm done with that, just blow dry until it's all dry on my hairline. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second. Now I'm going to be showing you guys 2 curly styles that you can do with this wig, but first I'm going to frame the wig to my face. To define this hair today and have my curls look super juicy and realistic, I'm going to first wet the hair with some JBCO water from 𝐤𝐸𝐿. I'm then going to take some Wave Whip curling mousse and create shine and bounciness and use a wide tooth comb and comb that through to detangle. To get that super spiral look, I'm going to use some noodle head curling cream to seal the ends and avoid frizz. Use all 3 of those products all over until I finished my entire head. And then the final step for this entire look, I'm going to use some Ericka J holding spray. She actually reformulated her product. It used to be super sticky when it came out of the nozzle, but now it just sprays like a regular product out of the bottle. So I'm actually happy that she did that. But yeah, I just let my hair air dry until it was about 80% dry, then use a nozzle blow dryer to add some volume to the roots, since we aren't diffusing this particular hairstyle, but we are diffusing the next one. And then I'm just going to use my nails and my fingers and unravel some of the curls to add body, but avoid frizz on the ends. Don't be So that is the install for my SWEATPROOF lace glue routine. I can say I pretty much have a routine down for lace glue, just like I have one down for lace spray. And also I love the way my curls came out. This color is bomb. I just feel like this wig came out so cute, and let me know if you guys are gonna pick this wig up. Ew. So now we are going to be cleaning off this lace, and I'm showing how I do this for both lace glue and lace lace spray. For lace glue, the easiest thing to do hands down is just to roll the glue off with tweezers. I think just washing the lace glue off with water and soap just makes it a sticky mess when you can just use tweezers to pluck it off, and it works so much better. Also, to remove lace spray, I use this 𝐲𝐻 Herbal Cleanse Dry Shampoo. Do not ask me how I figured this out. I have been using this product since like 2018 on my lace. It just gets everything off. It is the best product for removing makeup, lace spray, residue, or even oil, because a lot of times these lace glue removers have a lot of oil pertaining to the product. So when you just use this 𝐲𝐻 Herbal Cleanse, it helps with removing that excess oil on the lace as well. Now, as far as my lace spray ball cap method, I have a super detailed video that is really in depth for beginners and experts, if you ask me. So if you guys want to see a super detailed version of this, make sure you guys go and check that out on my channel. I will also drop that down in the description, but I just wanted to leave this in here because, you know, I'm definitely giving two versions of the install, but I just cut a little more of the lace off that didn't need to be there.
You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me.
I'm going to show you guys my two top favorite lace sprays. I have been using both of these for months. I've been using the 𝐸𝐵𝐴 for probably about 7 months since it first dropped. The 𝐲𝐻 honestly has been out for 2 years, like I said, and I really slept on it for the first time it came out, but it is definitely a part of my collection now. You have literally seen both of these sprays throughout the entire video because they are just the best. The 𝐸𝐵𝐴 and the 𝐲𝐻 are both sweat resistant and waterproof if used with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And I just love the way that both of the sprays dry clear and they lay my lace down. I just wrapped my hairline and let it sit for 30 minutes and look at this flawless install. It is just bomb.com. I actually wanted to experiment with some swoops this time, and I cut some more baby hair and used some black gel from 𝐒𝐴T𝐿. It's my favorite thing to use for my baby hair because I just feel like it helps lay the lace down, and it's so easy to swoop my hairs. When I'm done with my entire hairline, I'm just going to blow dry that dry, and then I re-wet my hair off camera. I didn't add any extra product to it. This is still the same products from a few days ago, and I just put a little bit more of that ericka J holding spray on, and then I diffused the hair until it was all dry. It's so cute. I think it's just the color for me. The color is just giving me what I never knew I needed. So which SWEATPROOF do I recommend or prefer for summer? Honestly, I definitely think it depends on the weather. I also feel like it depends on my day-to-day situation, what I'm doing per day, and also how long I need to keep my wig on. But listen, if you ask me, I am a lace spray girl all day, every day. I know I asked you guys this in a poll on my YouTube community thread, and you guys were saying lace spray. Some of you guys were saying lace glue, but that's why I purposely did it, because it was for this video. But let me know in the comments if y'all are a lace glue or a lace spray girl. That is pretty much the end of the video. This video came out so cute. Make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe if you feeling this video too. And as always, can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye.